And welcome to our Community Corner. Today is Thursday, so we have our Medical Minute. And for 10 years, the JUMP Trading Simulation and Education Center has worked to dramatically improve outcomes and lower healthcare costs. Dr. John Vosnelik, the Chief Medical Officer of Innovation and Digital Health at OSF Healthcare, joins us this morning to tell us about this world-class facility. Good morning, Dr. Vosnelik.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming back. I know you were here a few weeks ago, so
it's a great pleasure to be here. Thank you.
It's good to see you again. So let's talk about the JUMP Trading and Simulation Center. 10 years. That's quite a milestone.
It is. It's an exciting time. So 10 years have passed in a blink of an eye.
Right.
And the impact that JUMP has had on OSF and the community for health is just part of it. The outreach into the community, economic development, the connection with technologies, and the connection with key academic partners has really just enlivened the environment of celebration today at the 10-year anniversary.
Yeah, absolutely. And over the past 10 years, what are some of the major successes you've seen?
I think the most dramatic thing that we've seen is an ability to think differently about healthcare and how healthcare can connect with different types of partners. So not the least of which is how we partner with our patients and how we continue a compassionate journey with patients who are struggling with health issues. When pandemic hit, this was a major slap in the face for us all in our lifestyles, in the technologies we brought to bear, and the stress that we all felt. And just watching how the Innovation Center has enabled new discovery and new connection, connecting better to patients in their homes and in their environments of care. I mean, it's just, it's breathtaking.
Yeah, that is remarkable. And I'm so glad to hear that you all were able to navigate COVID times and still keep things up and running. So that's good.
We couldn't do it without the strong community and academic partnerships that we have, not the least of which are the University of Illinois System, Bradley University, ISU, bringing the whole community together to make new solutions in that stressful time.
Right.
And now it's a launch pad for the next 10 years, new discoveries.
Yeah, absolutely. That's very exciting to think about what could come next.
Absolutely.
So that leads me to my next question. What is next for this facility?
I think we're at the verge of a confluence of massive amounts of data and technology that are impacting the way we live our daily lives. And I just envision how we could really flip the access curve for our patients. So instead of having them to knock on our door for help, that we're more transparent and available. In fact, that we anticipate the needs of patients rather than wait for them to come to us. And not the least of which is our journey in cancer prevention. With the Cancer Institute at OSF coming online soon, the outreach to our communities should follow suit, and the ability to reach out to patients, ensure they're getting the right preventative actions is really key to us.
Very nice. And what are some of the pieces of groundbreaking technology that you have at the center?
People will be astonished to see what's going on in the Innovation Center. We have machine vision. So these are tools and technologies that take still and video images and can interpret so that the computer can automate processes. And those are not small or simple processes. They're complex processes. They can take images from CAT scan and MRI and convert them into virtual reality so that our patients, before they undergo any type of surgery or procedure, the images are seen in 3 dimensions. And this has transformed the way surgery and other procedures are happening at OSF St. Francis and beyond there. Actually, we take in cases from across the country that come to JUMP to be interpreted and sent back out as 3D images and virtual reality images so that care and treatment is transformed in other locations as well.
Wow, that is very impressive. That is remarkable, absolutely. And you all have an event today, later today, right?
Absolutely. We have a special event today with tours and exhibits. And tomorrow it's more of an open house environment where we're going to allow people to explore 10 exhibits and multiple displays that communicate not just the journey that we've been through in past in terms of training, but academic partnerships and the development of new technologies and how we're bringing access to our community. And not the least of which, again, is OSF's Cancer Institute and our journey forward.
That is such an exciting time, a 10-year anniversary, and here's to 10 more years and beyond.
Really appreciate it. Yes.
Of course, absolutely. And yeah, we look forward to having you back in 10 years and telling us all the amazing things you've accomplished since then.
I'll be a bit grayer perhaps, but still winning it.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Vosnelik, for coming in this morning.
You bet. Thank you.
Of course. And we'll be right back with, of course, more entertainment news coming up at 11:30.